Hey, what's happening? I'm Claudio, and this is the last video in the series on rebuilding our back deck. It was a big project and it took a lot of time and money, but we're extremely happy with the results. Since the structure, deck, and stairs are all done, this video shows how I installed the railing and the pergola shade thing. I lost some of the footage near the end of the project, but there's enough to see what's going on. So if you want to see what I did, stick around. Let's make it now. So at this point, I thought I was totally done, but it turns out that mischievous Great Dane puppies love chewing on brand new vinyl lattice. Within just a couple days of finishing the skirt, our little pup Shiloh had chewed several huge holes right through the lattice just so she could hang out under the deck. I didn't actually film it, but I ended up removing the vinyl and replacing it with some fence boards. We actually like how it looks a lot better now anyway. So the only thing left is to show you some before and after shots. Before I show those to you, try to ignore the landscaping. It looks terrible. We're gonna be replacing that at some point down the road. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future projects. All right, we'll see you next time.